guys, welcome back. This is Summer with Bewitching Bubbles and Beauty. We are making some bath bomb icing, and I am using the recipe from Tammy at Atomic Balm. She is also on YouTube, so you guys should definitely check her videos out. Very, very helpful. I cannot share this recipe. It is a paid recipe, so I have already mixed my ingredients. Gotta grab some gloves. I've already mixed my dry ingredients in this bowl, and then I added some Highlight White Gold Mica from Crafter's Choice. And my wet ingredients are in this little container. So I'm going to mix those together and get our icing ready to go. And then I will have to bring the items that we're icing over here a few at a time, because it's actually round bath bombs, so it's not going to be, let's see, I'm just going to pour that all in. I can't just stack them up. In other words, I've got some cupcakes to do, but we'll do that as a separate video because I've got too many. I'm making baby shower favor bags, and I've got to make enough for 25 people, so I have quite a few of each. And I'm just scraping this out really good. Don't want to waste any of these good ingredients. And one reason I wanted to do this video is just to show y'all how easy Tammy's icing is, because I love it. Okay, so first I'm just mixing all my wet ingredients into my dry, and there will come a time when I will add some witch hazel, but not quite yet. Actually, I am going to go ahead and add it. Okay, and it just calls for up to 3 tablespoons. I'm going to actually, excuse me. I'm going to actually put the witch hazel in the same, one of the same measuring cups I was using for my wet ingredients. I'm just going to put part of it first, and then go from there if I need it. And she also says that this recipe can be used for bubble bar, which does not surprise me. Quite honestly, because it's a great recipe. And so basically, once you mix it all up and get it really well incorporated and mixed, and honestly, I don't know that I need any more witch hazel. I think if I add any more, this may not dry as quickly, and it's actually pretty dang good. Let me smell this. Okay, I do smell my fragrance oil a little. I added my fragrance into my wet ingredients. That's just what I did. Tammy has several videos on her channel about how to use her frosting recipe, if you guys want to check them out. But once you mix everything, you just let it sit for a minute, and you see how it looks now. So you're going to let it sit for a minute, and it'll kind of fluff up some more. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go grab 4 of the bath bombs. I'm just doing it on this because it makes it easier for me not to flip them everywhere. And if it doesn't work out well, then I won't do it for the next ones. But anyway, like I said, I'm not using any colorant in this. These are going to just have a little white, kind of cream colored, I guess. I'm not going to go into adding any TD or anything in this. This is such a really nice texture. Look at that. So, I'm going to stir it around a little bit again. And then I think it's going to be ready to pipe, quite honestly. I'm just kind of going around making sure everything got mixed in. And I think I'm going to use a piping bag on this one. Yeah, I'm just going to do it in this. Honestly, it just saves me something else to wash, because this will be pretty easy. Okay, so I'm going to use press and seal. Put that away. Okay, and all of these are drying over on another table, so just gonna put my witch hazel right there. Wow, that's so fluffy. I might even put too much witch hazel. Okay, I don't want to overfill. I don't want to overfill this because this bag is not very big. So, and of course, you know, you have the preparing part of this, but it didn't take that long. And then it's just already ready, just like that. Okay. So, I'm going to pop this in my little piping bag and move that out of the way. Let's see if I move these over here, you all can see it better. Alrighty. And I'm not going to make these super tall just because it is just a bath bomb and I don't want it to, I don't want to use all of the icing and have to make more because I have a bunch of cupcakes to pipe as well. And so with these, actually let me just spritz some in the glitter. Okay. And then I'm going to stick these little feet in. Alright. What in the hell? I'm getting the wrong feet. Okay. I probably should have made sure that that I had like the right feet. Okay. Alright, so here's our little, that's the 4 we've done. I've got to go get some more.